Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies and I'm glad to be back after a very long time with another healthy and tasty recipe, granola bar. It's free from refined sugar, loaded with healthy fats, fiber and protein, and makes for a great snack for any time of the day. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. Into a food processor or blender, we'll add 1/3 cup almonds, 1/3 cup peanuts, 2 tablespoons flax seeds, 1/4 cup desiccated coconut, half teaspoon cardamom powder, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half cup oats, and now we'll give it a good blend. It doesn't need to be a fine powder, a coarse mixture will work as well. Now we'll add 1/4 cup raisins, 1 cup seedless dates, and we'll blend this one more time till everything is nicely combined. And the granola mixture is ready. We'll transfer this in a parchment paper lined baking pan. Now using a spoon, press this mixture into the pan evenly. Now we'll add some chopped pistachios. Feel free to replace them with any seeds or nuts of your choice. Now we'll press the pistachios as well into the granola mixture. We'll bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes. This granola is nicely baked, and now we'll let this cool completely. Once it's cooled down, we'll cut this granola into equal sized bars. These granola bars are a perfect snack for any time of the day. They are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, protein, and lots of deliciousness to keep you healthy, happy, and satisfied. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try this granola bar recipe and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.